In this video, we'll go over a basic pre-launch checklist and show you how to get your project officially launched. A simple pre-launch review makes your documents available safely and smoothly. To start, let's look at the recycle bin. Because items in the recycle bin are recoverable, they are also billable, even after launch. We no longer need them, so let's delete permanently. Next, we'll review the Action Required section. Documents listed here aren't visible in the data room. In this example, the PDF's password is preventing it from being available. So, let's enter its password. Next, let's check what's published. Unpublished documents aren't visible to users without admin or manage permissions. Before a project is launched, external reviewer invitations can only be saved as a draft. Drafts can be sent at the time of launch, which we'll show a little later. In the Permissions tab, let's review both the Content Access and the Feature Access sections. Double-checking content access is important to confirm that documents are accessible to the correct roles. Feature access allows roles to have additional control over the project. By default, roles are only allowed to download multiple files at the same time. Now that we've reviewed our project, let's launch. In the Settings tab, click Launch Project. Launching a project can't be undone. We can send all the draft invitations now, at the time of launch. When the project is launched, its phase changes to active. If you have any questions or would like us to review your project before launching it, contact us. We're always happy to help.